Good morning, Junior 1. How are you today? Today we have a new lesson which is called Parts of Animals. Parts of Animals. Okay, Junior 1. Last session we talked about the parts of the plants. You know the parts of plants? Okay, what they are? Flower, stem, leaves and roots. Flower, stem, leaves and roots. So these are the parts of the plant. Now we will talk about the parts of animals. Okay, Junior 1, let's start. Okay, Junior 1, you can move with your leg, yes or no? Yes, I can move with my leg, and you can move with your leg. Also, animals have parts help them to move. Like this bird, you know this bird? This called parrot. Parrot. Parrot has wings to move. This called wings. Okay, Junior 1, this part they are called wings. So parrot has wings to move. Parrot has wings to move. So Junior 1, parrot has wings. Parrot has wings to move. To move. Parrot has wings to move. Parrot has wings to move. Okay, Junior 1, supers. And now, what is this? Yes, it's a fish. So, fish has leg? No. Okay, fish has wings like a parrot? No. So, fish has fins. Fish has fins. Fish has fins. This called Junior 1, this part called fins. This fins, okay? So, fish has fins to move. Super. Fish has fins to move. Fish has fins to move. So, what is this? Yes, parrot has wings to move. Parrot has wings to move. Parrot has wings to move. Or to fly. Yes? Okay. And fish has fins to move. Fish has fins to move. Okay, Junior 1? Okay. Junior 1, when you eat, you put your food in your... Yes, in your mouth. So I put the food in my mouth. So animals also have parts help them to eat. Like this parrot have beak. Beak. You know this? This shape called beak. Okay? He put the food in the beak. Okay? So parrot has beak to eat. Parrot has beak to eat. Parrot has beak to eat. Parrot has, yes, beak. To move? No, to eat. Super. Parrot has beak to eat. Parrot has beak to eat. So parrot has beak to eat. And this fish has fins. Fish has fins to move. To move. Parrot has wings to move. Parrot has wings to move. Parrot has wings to move. Fish has fins to move. Fish has fins to move. Parrot has beak to move. Parrot has beak to move. And what is this? Yes, it's a lion. Lion has big teeth. Okay? This called teeth. Okay? So, lion has teeth to eat. 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 Okay, Junior 1. Okay, Junior 1. Now I will talk about animals have some parts help them to protect. What is the meaning of protect? When it rains, Junior 1, when it's rain, we have heavy rain, okay? We use umbrella, yes? All of you know the umbrella? Yes, we use umbrella to protect us from the rains, yes? So also animals have parts help them to protect themselves, okay? Like what? This lion have claws. Lion has claws. You know this? Yes. This called claws. Okay? This called claws. So, lion has claws to protect. 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 To protect. Okay, Junior 1. And no, parrot again. So this parrot have what? This parrot has feathers. Feathers. This feathers, Junior 1. It's above his body. Okay? So this parrot has feathers. Feathers to protect. Parrot has feathers to protect. Parrot has feathers to protect. Parrot has feathers to protect. Lion has claws to protect. Lion has claws to protect. Parrot has feathers to protect. Parrot has feathers. Okay, Junior 1. And now what is this? Yes, turtle. Turtle. Okay, Junior 1. Turtle has something here called shell. Shell. It helps him to protect. Okay. So turtle has shell to protect. Turtle has shell to protect. Turtle has shell to protect. And parrot has feathers to protect. Parrot has feathers to protect. Lion has claws to protect. Lion has claws to protect. Turtle has shell. Super. Turtle has shell to protect. To protect. And now, Junior 1, let's start to solve exercise in the main booklet. Now we will choose from this box, okay? This parrot has what to fly? Yes, parrot has wings to fly. So write wings in dots. Number 2. What has fins to fly to move? Yes, fish has fins to move. Turtle has what to protect? Yes, turtle has shell to protect. Right, shell. And this lion has what to eat? Yes, lion has teeth to eat. Number 5, parrot has what to eat? Yes, parrot has beak to eat. Number 6, lion has claws to. Lion has claws to. Yes, to protect. Super, right, protect. Okay, Junior 1, we have homework in the weekend sheet booklet. Solve weekend sheet 6, page 12 and 13 and 14. See you.